Hi, how are you? Today I want to talk about 3 supplements that they are great to take when we are in autumn and winter, so we will empower our immune system, okay? These 3 ones are, first of all, C vitamin, but C vitamin in high doses, like 1000 milligrams, 1 gram. Why? Because even if you take orange, if you take lemon, if you take kiwi, whatever, in winter time we are more exposed to virus. So we need our immune system to be stronger, and the C vitamin helps a lot in that. This is my recommendation. I tell you that I'm pharmaceutic, so I know what I'm talking about. I also do this for many years, so it's not only what I say, it's also my example, my own life experience. And from when I take these 3 supplements I'm going to say to you today, I never get any flu and nothing. Okay, so my immune system is really strong, and I want you to have also that. So first of all, C vitamin, and do not worry for having extra doses or that you think that it's too much. No, because if the body feels is a lot of C vitamin inside, you will put it out by the pee, okay? So don't worry at all. Then the second one is the magnesium. I recommend around 400 milligrams for a man and 300 milligrams for a woman. But if you are going to do or you did extra exercise one day, if you're a woman, take extra 100 milligrams, and you are a man, 200 extra. Okay, so 500 for men and 400 for women if you do exercise every day. Why? Because magnesium is really, really important for the muscles. So also the lactic acid, when we do a really strong gym exercises, then next day we have like kind of ouch, you know. So the magnesium will help you to don't have that as well. It helps to put the blood down, the high pressure down, and many other things. Like for us, for women, there are many women that before we have the period or in the period is painful, they are moody. The magnesium, it will help you a lot. Also, if you have headaches, magnesium will help you a lot. So it's a fantastic. I mean, I take it all year around. I don't stop with the magnesium. Some supplements I change depending on if I'm in summer or if it's autumn. But magnesium is one of my top 10, the ones that I always take all year round. And the third one is echinacea. Echinacea is a plant from the North America, and the tribes, they use it for many, many years to clean the skin and avoid to get infections, because it's very, very good for like antivirus and antibacterials, and also it helps to boost the immune system. So these 3 and about the doses is normally what they sell. Okay, so take 1 capsule per day. Is the same if you're a man or a woman, the same doses like the C vitamin. So remember these 3: C vitamin, magnesium, and echinacea, and you will feel and Yeah, I was going to forget this. Start, please, in autumn. So when the winter comes, your immune system is already ready and strong. Okay? This is everything for today. Thank you for listening. And I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any of my videos. Have a great day. Ciao. Namaste.